Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran. I'm very excited today because I have a lot of packages. Like you can see, there was a lot of sale going on Nykaa, Myntra. I also visited Ikea, so I'm gonna show you all what I brought. Honestly, there are few boxes that I've already opened, so let's get started with this box first. So I have a small box over here. I have seen these powder puffs going super viral these days, so I actually wanted to try one of them. This is from the brand called Bronson, and I got two of these. This is on MRP 210 rupees, but I got it for 150 rupees or 140 rupees, I guess, on sale. Now I'm not gonna try any of these products today. You guys can see all the product reviews on my shorts, on my YouTube shorts, so stay tuned for that. I received two of these puffs. One is in pink and one is in black color. They feel actually quite good. I can't wait to try these. Let's move on to the next product. Moving on to the second box that I have. Okay, I have a lot of stuff in this. There was buy one get one free sale. I think Elf still has a buy one get one free sale going on. So the first thing that I picked up was this pencil from Pack Cosmetics. This is in the shade Coffee. I wanted a beautiful brown color pencil. Let me just swatch this for you all quickly. Guys, for pricing, I will just put it on the screen, the MRP as well as the discounted price, so you guys can see that. This is a very big pencil. I do have the Swiss Beauty ones and the other lip lining pencils, which is very small in size. This pencil is quite big actually. Now let me swatch this. So this is what the shade looks like. Actually, this is not brown. This is more of a, like a mauve shade. I expected a brown shade since the name was Coffee. But yep, this shade is not bad at all, and the pencil is really nice. I mean, it is quite pigmented and it glides on really well. I said I'm not gonna try any products, I know, but I want to swatch all of them with you all. So let me quickly swatch this pencil. My camera is not focusing. Okay, so wow, this is super pigmented, and look at the tip, you guys. The tip is so precise. You can easily draw a proper wing liner with this. I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, moving on, I picked up two lipsticks from Colorbar. They were again on buy one get one sale, and these are the shades I picked up. One is called Hush On, the other one is called Tempted. Let me just swatch this also quickly for you guys, but before that, can I tell you how cute the packaging is? They look very good. Can you see this? They're so beautiful, and the packaging is actually very nice. This is actually a very beautiful shade. I don't have a color like this. I just love this color. Okay, this is the second shade that I'm swatching for you guys. Wow, this is a beautiful red shade. Okay, so this is the shade Tempted. It is more of a red color which has orange hint in it, and I am again very excited to try these lipsticks. I try not to buy all the makeup products normally. Only when there is a sale I try to grab all the products, because that is the best time for you all to buy. So like I said, there was a buy one get one free going on Elf Cosmetics as well. So one shade I picked up in gold and the other one is silver. So the shades are 24K gold and bling bling is this particular shade. Let's swatch them. Okay, this is the first shade. This is the 24K gold. I don't know, I just expected a bigger size. I don't know why I expected a bigger size, but these are very tiny. Okay, let me quickly swatch this. They look very good. Wow, this is very good, you guys. Look at it. Can you see how beautiful it is? It is actually very nice. This is the shade Bling Bling. So let me also swatch this shade. They look very good in quality, even though the size of it is very small. Guys, this has small glitter particles in it. So I think you guys can see it now. Yup. And with the second box, let's move on to the third box. Let's pick this box up for now. From the brand Pharmacy. These are actually my sanitary pads. I have tried a lot of sanitary pads, like I've tried the Whisper ones, I've tried the Stay Free ones, but they always end up giving me rashes. I have been using this particular one from Pharmacy from past 2 months, and they are very nice. They don't give me any rashes. These are for 30 pieces. I think it was 280 rupees. They come in different sizes actually. They come in large, medium, double XL, XL I believe. The one I have is large. Let me actually open one of the pads and show you all what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Let me just pick up one for you guys. Just in case you need reference, this is what large size looks like. So this is the next product that I picked up. This is the e.l.f. concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. Let me again show you all this. The shade that I picked up was Deep Olive. Now this is a big giant tube of concealer. I picked this up for 280 or 300 rupees. Again, I'll just put the price. Since this was on buy one and get one free, I got it for a real good price. This is what the applicator looks like. Let me also show you all the shade swatch. I actually wanted to pick something in a warm undertone, but this is the only shade that was available, so I have picked up this one. So this is what the shade looks like. It is clearly not my skin tone shade, but I can use this as a highlighting concealer. Okay, so the next thing that I got was this e.l.f. Cosmetics brush. This is actually a foundation brush. I have been using my Sugar Cosmetics brush from a very long time. So here is the one, but it actually is, you know, gone bad now. But I also have my Mars Cosmetics one, which I use these days regularly. I love it, but I also wanted to try a different foundation brush, so that is why I've picked up this one. It looks very good. The quality of it is really nice. But let me try this and give you all a full review on the shots. Next up, I have this foundation from Rimmel. This is actually, you know, one of the subscribers asked me to try out this shade, and this is what I'm wearing today. I've already done a review on this, and I will be uploading it very soon. If I have already uploaded it, you will see the link on the I button somewhere. If not, the foundation review is coming soon. Okay, so this is the last box that I have from Nykaa, and then I have very few products from Myntra. So let's open this big box. Okay, I'm gonna give you all a little spoiler alert. In this, you will find a lot of on skincare products, not a lot of makeup, but a lot of skincare products. Okay, starting up with this product first. This is a salicylic acid based body wash. I have been using this body wash lately. I've already emptied one full bottle of this, and I am actually loving this. This is a very good gentle exfoliator on your body. So if you want to try it out, you can definitely try this. I have no idea how many bottles of this micellar water I use. So this time I picked 2 big bottles during the sale. Very boring, I know, but one of my favorite products out of all the products that I've got. This one is oil based for all of your waterproof makeup, and this one is for your everyday makeup. I have not found any better micellar water than Garnier. If you guys want to suggest me anything, do let me know in the comment section. Next up, I got some cotton pads. Usually I pick it up from Miniso, but this time because there was already sale, I just got it online, but I love the Miniso ones much better. If you see my skin getting really glowy and sweaty, that is because I've turned off the fan and it's really hot. Now moving on to the next product, I got these two serums from Ordinary. One is the niacinamide serum. I already have one of the serum which is about to get over. This is just a backup. I cannot do without my niacinamide or niacinamide, however you pronounce it, without this serum, because I am from a oily skin and I get a lot of acne, and this serum has helped me throughout, and you can see now I do not have any acne and my skin is much clear. And the second one is the Ordinary under eye serum. Again, I already have both of these are just my backup products, and I cannot do without this serum as well. Now this serum does not completely remove your dark circles. Obviously you need a good diet and proper sleep for that, but it does like a little bit fade off my dark circles, and this is the only under eye product which is worked perfectly well for me. And next up I have the Claire's toner. I tried a sample size of it and I love this toner, and yeah, that's what it is. Next up I have the Vaseline body lotion. It is a hydrating one and I like this body lotion compared to anything else. Then I have my Nivea lip balm. I've tried a lot of lip balm these days. There are so many lip balms that I've tried that I wanted to go back to something very basic. And the last makeup product that I have over here from Nykaa is again the e.l.f. one. Too many e.l.f. products, I know, but yeah, I wanted to try all of their range. Here I have that eyebrow pencil, chromatic multi-stick. Next up I have this box from Myntra. The box is quite big, only for two products that I got, but I ordered this particular palette from Makeup Revolution for all my SFX makeup looks, for all the face and body paint makeup looks that I want to try. So this is what the palette looks like. Comes with a big mirror. This eyeliner, this is a water activated liner. I want to obviously try doing a lot of graphic liners, so this is what the shade looks like. It also comes with a small applicator, and this is also from Makeup Revolution. The last thing that I have is the Ikea products that I got. Again, I visited the Ikea which is in Nagsandra. I stay in Bangalore. This is on MRP 611 rupees, but I guess I got it for 350. These are 4 mirror set, you guys. They come in different sizes and shapes, but I picked this particular variant for 4 pieces. I wanted to buy frames from a very long time, so I picked up this big frame, and all the other frames are a little smaller in size. These are A4 size frames. I did unwrap one to show you all, and this is what it looks like. Okay, that's it for this video. If you did stay until the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and I will be coming up with more such videos. Take care guys. Bye bye.